and welcome to the Bitchin Bowl Challenge. Today is Moroccan Chicken Day. I have gotten started early and I've already fried up the chicken thighs, bone in, skin on. I put some salt and pepper on them. I put them in that pan. I put a bunch of oil in it and I got them nice and browned and beautiful. And I'm about to remove them and I'm going to fry these puppies up just to get them golden, just to make them look pretty. Now, a Moroccan chicken dish. I think that there's a better word for it. I think that this word shares a name with this general style of ceramic. I'm going to probably Google how to say it after I turn this off. But basically what's happening is we're cooking up some delicious thighs and some very scrumptious spices. I have my original bitchin sauce that I'm gonna serve with it. And I've got couscous, which I'm also very excited about because it cooks so fast and I gotta do this one fast. I got some hungry people and I need speed and comfort. We're going for it today with our Moroccan chicken bowl. Tajin. This is loud. Hopefully you can hear me over my really loud sizzling lemon slices. Now normally you would use preserved lemon in this dish, but you know we're just going for it. And sometimes it's hard to find preserved lemon. And preserving it takes some time too. You could also add some like fruity goodness to this, like some dried apricots or raisins. You can go full bore, but we're going a little bit simpler and just trying to make a very scrumptious dinner in not a lot of time. While my lemons are sizzling so loud, I'm just gonna point out some of the other ingredients. I have my onions, which I'm going to saute after the lemons are done, and I've removed them. I have my spices. My spices are great. They're gonna make everything taste so wonderful. Bitchin sauce. I mean, that one's pretty good. I also have, we don't talk about brands, but these guys saved the day. I couldn't find any garbanzo beans, and I swear I got some. And I was freaking out, and I ran down and like opened the pantry doors, and it was like the clouds parted, and there was this beautiful heyday. It's already spiced with harissa. It's like we're on the same wavelength. Anyways, thank you, Heyday. You saved the day. That was a big deal. And I've got my couscous. The broth is already heating up. And I put in a big slab of butter, so that's gonna be delicious. And I have some peppers and some olives, and it's gonna be really good. It's gonna come together so nicely. Do you guys wanna see the coolest thing? It's the coolest thing. Okay, I've preheated the oven. I'm going to add this garlic and some lemon zest. Oh, you couldn't really see very well. Shoot, I feel bad about that. Lemon zest to my onions. I'm also going to add the spice mix. Now you could do a thickener at this stuff, and that's you. If you want to do that, go for it. I kind of like it brothy, so I'm going to not do that. I'm going to add all of these things, and then I'm going to add like 1.5 cups of chicken stock to the translucent onion mixture. Before the broth, I'm going to put in some peppers. I still have to chop those. Chop the peppers, add them in, then the broth, then the olives, which we have really pretty olives. Castellano. I've got some calamatas too. I just had those. You don't have to use those. You don't have to use any olives, but I'm gonna use both of these. And then I'm going to put them all into the pan with the broth. I'm gonna add back the chicken with those pretty wheels. Look, they're pretty even without it, right? They're like, if this wasn't undercooked, you could just eat this for dinner with some sauce. Hey, that reminds me, I have a really funny joke. It's about chicken that's underdone. but it's not ready yet. Did you know that children love bell peppers? Not everyone realizes this, but they are very sweet, and kids just love them. They love them. Okay, now that these are pretty much ready to go, I can hear the onions. They sound good. They sound good. Let's talk about these spices. So I have paprika, beautiful, ginger. You're joining that camp. Cumin. It's coriander. You thought you could escape me. Cinnamon. Oh. This is actually one of my more favorite dishes to make. I used to make this a lot as a personal chef because it tastes good. I don't know. It tastes good. All right, and then we have honey. So, spice mix, honey, and again, you could dress this up a lot. You got that preserved lemon, you use that preserved lemon. But you can also simplify it a lot and be really happy with your results. I'm going to add these things to our dish. I'm going to add the peppers, the olives, the chicken. I'm gonna whack it in the oven and it's gonna be ready in like 15, 20 minutes. It's gonna be great. So we're doing a sweet cooking video, but I found a great opportunity to educate some people on some things, and I'm gonna do it. Now, when you have a beautiful product like Bitchin Sauce, which has no gums or weird sugars or like starches that you would never actually eat, separation is natural. Here, wait, make sure you can see it. Oh, yeah, that. And that's totally fine. When you are going to eat it and you want to recombine it, the best way is you need to treat it like a souffle. So you get a spoon, we're going to take it and we gently fold. So this is what you would do like after you whisked your egg whites, right? If you were like, oh, I have these beautiful peaked egg whites and then I'm going to add them to a batter, think of how you would treat a souffle. Oh, look at it. See, now it's so creamy, it's so delicious. And then you will get a lovely learning moment there. It's looking really good. Just so pretty, so golden. It smells amazing. I'm very excited about this. And I think that the fam's gonna be really happy too. They love this meal. All right, I'm going in to assemble. I'm gonna use my fun Tajin bowl. Okay, we've got our couscous. We've got our heyday harissa beans. Thank you for saving the day. Okay, we are topping with our original bitchin sauce that has been lovingly folded. It's gonna be, oh, so tasty. Okay, and then I add the chicken. Wow. Adding the olives all around there, the onions, the peppers. I have a little bit of shock and see how pretty everything turns out. Okay. I don't know. Ooh, we've got kind of like a fun disco ball of light happening. Okay. Look at it, it's pretty. I can't wait to try. Ooh, wait. Don't be crazy. You need some parsley on there. Make it extra beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go in. This was a skin on, bone in, which means you need a fork and a knife. And we're gonna test this beautiful dish out. Okay, beautiful, lovely. Wow, that skin is so crispy. And I'm gonna get a little bit of everything here. The couscous, some sauce, some chicken, some vegetables, maybe even a delicious olive. This dish is so succulent. I really can't explain it. You have to make it for yourself. The original is sending it. It's so good. You know, you put it with like just the couscous and the beans and a little bit of parsley, and it's like, I love this bowl. Thank you so much for joining Moroccan Chicken Bowl. Very thankful for you. Thankful for this bowl. I'm glad I have a topper. Maybe in the advanced series I learned how to use it. All right. Cheers, y'all.